The global economy is currently holding its breath. There is a 21-mile gap at the bottom of the Persian Gulf called the Strait of Hormuz. And while the headlines are talking about peace, the reality is a total traffic jam that is about to reprice everything in your life. I'm Noelle Randall, real estate multimillionaire, but I started from the bottom. So I am here to tell you that we are going to go beyond the news. I'm showing you the 7 assets that are about to explode in value and why sitting in cash right now is the most dangerous position you could be in. I'm going to teach you the exact mechanisms of how to short the dollar using a fixed rate mortgage and how to position yourself as an owner before the next wave of inflation even hits. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. I also want to invite you to a free training that I put together that you can get at noellsfreetraining.com. This is a full free class where I teach you how to take business credit and turn it into assets. All right, let's get into this. So let's talk about the fertilizer time bomb. Most people think a global choke point only affects the gas station. That is a level 1 way of thinking. Here is my millionaire perspective. 1/3 of the global fertilizer trade passes through that same narrow gap. When fertilizer prices jump 50%, which they are doing right now, it doesn't hit your grocery store bill tomorrow. It takes 6 months to work through that growing season. I want to tell you about one of my students, Maurice. Maurice was worried about his family's expenses rising. I told him, you can't outsave a supply chain crisis. You have to out-own it. So here's what he did. He stopped looking at his savings account. He started looking at essential assets. He realized that while food prices go up, the value of the land and the businesses that provide essentials goes up even faster. To survive this, you have to stop being a consumer of the economy and start being a provider of the resources that people need. So let me tell you the 7 assets that are about to explode and that you want to make sure that you own. When the strait stays closed, it's not just oil that we're looking at. So here's what we're looking at. Number 1, crude oil and energy equities. But remember, the stocks often lag behind the price. Number 2, LNG, natural gas. This is what heats homes and powers factories. Number 3, tanker shipping. The cost to insure these ships have jumped 1,000%. Number 4, the US dollar. In a crisis, global capital floods into the dollar. Number 5, fertilizer, the hidden driver of food inflation. Number 6, aluminum, or as the Brits say, aluminium. This is the Steve Buscemi of elements. It's in everything from cars to construction. And number 7, fixed rate debt. This is the one you probably already own. So now I will teach you how to perform inflation arbitrage. Let's talk about the how. Why is your fixed rate mortgage your best friend during a war? Well, it's called inflation arbitrage. And here is exactly how the math works. If you owe the bank $250,000 at a 4% fixed interest rate, that payment is locked. As the Strait of Hormuz stays closed and inflation runs up at 8% or 10%, the real value of that debt is shrinking. You are paying back the bank every single month with cheaper dollars. Meanwhile, the house sitting at the top of the debt is a hard asset. It reprices upward with inflation. This is the power of owning real assets like real estate and properties. Again, if you want to learn how to do this using business credit without using your social security number, getting funding in a business's name, go to noellsfreetraining.com. So here is the step-by-step move. Step 1, refinance to fixed. If you have any variable rate debt or HELOCs, lock them into fixed rates immediately. You want the bank to take the risk of inflation, not you. Step 2, the master lease strategy. This is what I use to create a corporate housing empire. If you don't have $50,000 for a down payment, use the master lease method. You find a landlord who is tired of managing their property. You lease the entire building at a fixed rate for 3 to 5 years, and then you rent it out as corporate housing to essential workers like traveling nurses. You can learn all about that strategy in these 4 books that I wrote. You can get those for free. You just cover the shipping at noellsbookoffer.com. Step 3, you collect the spread. As the cost of living goes up, you can adjust your nightly or monthly rates for your tenants, but your master lease payment to the landlord stays exactly the same. That is how you create a profit margin out of thin air using inflation. Now let me tell you about the USD split, the US dollar. There is a split happening right now. The US dollar is getting stronger against other currencies like the euro and the yen, but is getting weaker against your grocery bill. This is why the super wealthy don't keep their money in the bank. They keep it in the flow. They own the tankers, they own the fertilizer companies, and they own the real estate. In 1979, during the Iranian Revolution, people who sat in cash saw their purchasing power destroyed. But the people who held fixed rate debt against the real estate saw their net worth double. History doesn't always repeat, but it always rhymes. You have a small window right now while the data is still developing to get your assets in order. Seriously, the Strait of Hormuz is only 21 miles wide, but it is the difference between a life of struggle and a life of abundance, depending on what side of the asset you sit on. I have put together a hard asset roadmap that shows you exactly how to find these master lease opportunities in your backyard and have all the funding that you need to acquire them without using your own savings and without tapping into finding investors or anything like that. You literally can get the bank to give you the money to start the business. You don't have to start a business, make it profitable, and then get money for the business. Click the link below, get the roadmap, and let's get to work. There's going to be some real winners and losers in this new economy with all of this crisis going on. And I want to make sure that you are one of the winners. We are stronger together. We need to share this knowledge. We need to acquire assets and we need to use other people's money to do it. You don't have to save your way to getting assets. Go to noellsfreetraining.com. Get my books at noellsbookoffer.com. I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the resources, and all of the tools that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.